cord. This is the wrong answer.
Keep your mic closed and give the answer. Question passes to Narmada. What is the skin of onion called?
Epidermis.
Epidermis. Yes, it is right answer. Clap for her. 20 bonus point to Narmada.
Second question for you is, who performs different functions in a cell?
Cell organelle perform different functions in cell. Right answer. 40 points.
Third question for you is, what is called the movement of water molecules through a selectively permeable membrane? Osmosis is the right answer. Question for you is, which process allows the cell to engulf in food and other materials from its external environment?
Endocytosis.
Endocytosis is the right answer. Name one structure which is double membrane.
Mitochondria.
Mitochondria is the right answer. Sixth question is, what are the functional segments of DNA called?
What is the functional segment of DNA called?
Genes.
Genes is the right answer.
Gene.
Who discovered pre-existing cells? Robert Hooke is the wrong answer.
Robert Hooke. Pre-existing cell. Question passes to Lee.
Leeuwenhoek is the right answer. Second question for you is, which type of membrane is plasma membrane? Selectively permeable membrane.
Selectively permeable membrane is absolutely right answer.
Second question, ready? Yes. In which solution cell will lose water? What?
In which solution?
Hypertonic solution is the right answer. What is plasma membrane made of?
Glycolipids, phospholipids and cholesterol.
Is the right answer. Okay. Fifth question is, name any three chemicals used for staining.
Safranin,
Yes.
iodine and
Methyl.
methyl. Full name of methyl?
Yes, and right answer. Give the point. 40 points to
You
the
get 40 points.
methylene
Methylene or methyl orange. Okay.
or methyl orange.
Last question is, what is called the entangled thread-like structure which organizes into chromosomes? Chromatin.
Chromatin is absolutely right answer. 40 points to Narmada.
Kaveri House, ready for the questions? First question is, who coined the term cell? Robert Hooke.
Robert Hooke is the right answer.
Question is, which process is used by carbon dioxide or oxygen to move across the cell membrane? Diffusion is the right answer. When is rod-shaped chromosome appear in a cell?
When the rod-shaped chromosome appear in a cell.
Cell division is the right answer. The last question for you is, what are chromosomes composed of? DNA and protein is the right answer.
Right answer. 40 points. RER.
Rough endoplasmic reticulum.
Right answer. What helps in the manufacture of fat molecules or lipids? What helps in the manufacture of fat molecules or lipid?
Pass.
What is known as the suicide bag of the cell?
Nice one.
Lysosome is the right answer. What is internal organization of the plastids? Consists of numerous membrane layers enabled in the material called. What is internal organization of the plastic consists of numerous membrane layers embedded in a material called. Which meristematic tissue increase the length of plant? Which meristematic tissue increase the length of
Apical meristeme.
apical meristeme? Right answer. Which cell organelle direct chemical activity in cell? Which cell organelle direct chemical activity in cell?
Cytoplasm.
Wrong answer. What is the full form of cell? SER.
Smooth endoplasmic reticulum.
Right answer. Which is known as protein manufacture site in a cell?
Ribosomes.
Ribosome is the right answer. Which membrane of mitochondria is deeply folded? Which membrane of mitochondria is deeply folded?
Cristate. Sir, spelling बोल सकते हैं. Sir, CRISTAE.
So, which membrane of mitochondria is deeply folded?
Cristate. Cristate.
No, this is not the answer. What is colorless plastic known as?
Leucoplast.
Leucoplast is the right answer. What is dividing tissue known as?
Meristematic tissue. Meristematic tissue.
Right answer. So, two questions you are unable to give the right answer. First one was, which cell organelle direct chemical activity in a cell? Can you tell? Which cell organelle direct chemical activity? Any one of you?
Mitochondria.
Nucleus. Nucleus. Okay? All the chemical activity is directed in the cell by, it is in your book. I am asking all the questions from. It takes a long time to make all the questions. Which membrane of mitochondria is deeply folded? I am asking the question, it is mentioned in your book. There are two, inner and outer. Inner cover, inner covering, inner membrane. Okay? In photosynthesis, the chlorophyll in photosynthesis, prokaryote bacteria is associated with what? The chlorophyll in photosynthetic prokaryotic bacteria is associated with what? You have to pass. Name the organism which lack cell membrane. Name the organism which lack cell membrane. Ribosome. Name the organism which lacks cell membrane. Organism. Wrong answer. What plays a crucial role in detoxifying many poison and drugs in the liver cell of the group of animals called vertebra?
Smooth endoplasmic reticulum.
Right answer. Which cell organelle is involved in dispatching the material synthesized near ER? Which cell organelle is involved in dispatching the material synthesized near ER? No. Which organelle in plant cell provide rigidity?
Cell wall.
Wrong answer. Name the different type of meristematic tissue depending on growth.
Apical, lateral and intercalated.
Right answer. The girth of the stem or root. Which meristematic tissue involved in increasing the girth of the stem or root? Think first and
Lateral meristem.
lateral meristem. Right answer, 40 points. Which tissue give flexibility to a plant? Which tissue give flexibility to a plant? Collenchyma. Right answer, collenchyma is the right answer. Third question for you. Which part of xylem help in sideway conduction of water? Which part of xylem help in the sideway conduction of water? Which part of xylem?
Xylem vessels.
Xylem vessels is wrong answer. You were not sure, so you must take options. Okay. Where is companion cell found? Where is companion cell found? Phloem tissue. And is he right? Yes, right. Your answer is right. 40 points. So one wrong answer. Give you 0 point. Otherwise, you have secured all the points from this round. Now, Narmada, are you ready for your questions? Yes. What is called the process of taking up a permanent shape, size, and a function of a meristematic tissue?
Permanent tissue.
What is called the process of taking up your answer is wrong. What is the question is what is the process of taking up the permanent shape, size, and function of a meristematic tissue? It is, can anyone of you? Yes?
Differentiation.
Differentiation is the right answer. But you will not get point, but you have given the right answer. Now, second question for you. Name the permanent tissue which has large intercellular space. Parenchyma. Yes, right answer. Parenchyma is the right answer. Which tissue make the plant hard and stiff? Sclerenchyma is the right answer. You are giving the answer in unison, all of you. Which tissue? What is thicky, waxy coating of epidermis of desert plant called? What is thicky, waxy coating of epidermis of desert plant called? It is called cutin. Cutin is the right answer. 40 points to them. They have also given 3 answers right, 1 answer wrong. So they have also got all the points almost. Now, Kaveri, your questions. What is prominent in meristematic tissue cells? What is prominent in meristematic tissue cell? In another word, which cell organelle is prominent in meristematic tissue cell? Options are A. Cell wall, B. Vacuole, C. Nucleus, D. Golgi. Question is, what is prominent in meristematic tissue cells? Nucleus is the right answer. 20 points because they have taken option. Which tissue give buoyancy to a plant? Which tissue in plant give buoyancy to a plant? Parenchyma is the right answer. 40 points. Next question for you. You can clap. There is no restriction in clapping. Name the chemical in wall of bark. Name the chemical in walls of bark that makes the impervious to gases and water. Name the chemical in walls of bark that makes them impervious to gases and water. Name the chemical in walls of bark. Suberin. Suberin is absolutely right answer. 40 points to him. Your last question. Where is trachy found? Where is trachy found? In xylem. Right answer. Or they have got maximum point. One bonus, one option and 3 answer right. So after this round, now, ma'am, you are ready, very conscious, very honest and very alert who is pressing the buzzer first. So, and there should be complete partiality, impartial. First question for you of this round, buzzer round. Which tissue makes our lung? Xylem. No, it is not the right answer. And no other house has pressed the buzzer. So, have you pressed the buzzer? Tell. Columnar epithelium. Right answer. 40 points to Narmada. Now, second question for you. Which cell cover the lining of the mouth? First Kaveri, second and third. So first Kaveri, you have chance to give the answer. Squamous epithelial. Simple squamous. Right answer. 30 points. Now, third question for you, ma'am. Are you ready? Yes. Where are cilia found? Kaveri then Xylem. Kaveri? Columnar epithelial. No, I'm not asking that tissue. Where is it found? I have asked. So, the Xylem, you have chance to give the answer. Mitochondria is wrong answer. You haven't. This audience or anyone else? Cilia.
Cilia found in which organ?
Respiratory tract. Where does cuboidal epithelium form lining? Where does cuboidal epithelium form lining?
Kaveri and then Narmada.
Kaveri, then Narmada, then Xylem. Yes. Salivary gland. Yes. Right answer. 40 points. Now, last question of this round. In this round, Kaveri is doing very well. What is fluid matrix of blood called? Again, Kaveri. Plasma is absolutely right answer. 40 points to do. Name the target organ of hepatitis disease. Komal, your question. Name the target organ of hepatitis disease. Komal, RBC. No, yes. Okay. Wait. No, it is not liver. You have told the right answer. Right answer. Liver. She has said liver. Liver. Yes, right answer. Liver is the right answer. Name the disease caused by bite of sand fly. Kala-azar. Right answer. Name the Muskan. Your question. Name the protozoa which caused Kala-azar. Leishmania is the right answer. What is the full form of? Take out your hand from pocket. This is not good posture. What is the full form of OPV? No, not the right answer. Absolutely wrong. Can you give the answer? Oral polio vaccine. So sorry for you, Urvashi. You have played very well. What do you say? Now it is decided: bronze medal, silver medal, and gold medal will be distributed among these three girls. But I don't know who will get gold medal and who will get silver medal and who will get bronze medal. It will be decided by the question those are going to ask. Name one viral disease which passes from mother's womb to the fetus. Name one viral disease which passes from mother's womb to the fetus. AIDS is the right answer. What is acute disease?
Acute disease is the disease which is for short time.
Short duration. Right answer. Right answer. What is chronic disease?
Diseases that are long period of time, even as much as a lifetime, known as chronic disease.
Right answer. What are acquired diseases? What is acquired disease?
Diseases after birth.
Yes. What is acquired disease?
Disease which happens after birth.
Right answer. Now, what are congenital disease
Diseases which are acquired after birth.
found on individual right after birth? Right answer. Name the target cell of Plasmodium. Whose question is? Muskan, yes. Name the target cells of Plasmodium. Name the target cell of Plasmodium. This question was last question. You are not giving the answer. If you will not give the answer, you will be eliminated. Otherwise, if the question is not done, if the question, I will ask question and both of will fail to give the answer, you will survive. You don't know. Tell RBC. Right answer RBC. So you got bronze medal. Sit here while the game is on between these two. Okay? But you got the bronze medal. Now, what is the full form of BCG?
Bacillus calmette-guerin.
Bacillus calmette. Yes, right answer. Right answer. Yes, right answer. Your question, Soumya. Name the causal organism of diarrhea.
Bacteria.
No. Causal organism of diarrhea. If she will give the answer right, you are out. Okay? You got silver medal. Not out. You will get silver medal. Yes, Komal.
Salmonella and Shigella.
Salmonella is the right answer. So, Komal got gold medal and Soumya silver medal and Muskan